Hello, welcome Metricoolers. My name is Alex. I am the US Social Media Manager for Metricool, and welcome to the first of many videos designed to help you learn the ins and outs of Metricool and how you can use our features to help you succeed in the social media space. But before I get started, I should probably tell you what Metricool is if you don't already know. Metricool is your all-in-one social media management platform where you can plan, manage, and analyze your social media content for various platforms. In this specific video today, I am just going to give you a brief overview of our tool and show you a little bit about our top features, but of course I will be doing a deeper dive into each of the functionalities in later videos, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And with that, let's just get started. So looking at this, you'll see this is the Metricool interface. At the top, you're going to see 5 tabs. There is going to be an Analytics tab, an Inbox tab, Planning, SmartLinks, and Ads. I'm going to go left to right and just give you a general overview for this video, beginning with Analytics. So I like to start with the summary page in the Analytics section. The summary page is really nice because it shows all of your connected accounts and puts it all in one location for you to track your metrics. For example, here you can see followers across all of your connected platforms, impressions, interactions. You can also toggle the dates so that you can see if you wanted to see maybe the last month, the previous month, the last 3 months, the last 6 months. And then on the left-hand side, you can also click into individual platforms. For example, you could click into Facebook and just see Facebook metrics. So for example, you could look at the balance of your likes, or let's say, the posts that you published in the specific period, your interactions. You also will get nice graphics, the list of posts, and you'll see that this is the case for each of the different social media platforms. You'll be able to go in and see in-depth analytics. You'll also see that a nice little tab feature appears at the top. So for example, for Instagram, you can click on community and it'll take you to the community section, demographics to the demographics section, and so forth. You'll also find competitors in our analytics section. So here you can see some examples of some competitors we've added and the metrics that's associated once you add those lists of competitors. If you continue scrolling on the left-hand side, you'll also see you can find your Facebook ads, Google ads, and TikTok ads, as well as reporting. Of course, we're going to go more in depth with recording in another video, but our reporting feature is super nice if you want a streamlined, quick way to sum up your metrics based on the platform, based on the different types of metrics, and how much information you want to see. We make it super easy and super customizable for you to generate a PDF or a PowerPoint, as well as automating. Then you will also see hashtag tracker, and while this is a paid feature, it is another way for you to track your metrics. And if you scroll down, you'll see a list of some of those saved hashtags. Moving on to the Inbox tab, we love our Inbox management feature because it shows you in one location all of your messages, DMs, comments from various social media platforms. You'll find Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube, with YouTube being the newest one. And then you'll see that you can also check it by unresolved comments, DMs, messages, unread, or all. You can also filter through to just see private messages or just see comments, and even search for conversations. Then if you click into planning, this is where you're going to plan and schedule out all of your social media content. I am going to click into a more full calendar, and you can see here that it is a nice drag and drop calendar feature. You can also even see the best times to post for specific platforms, for example, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok in a nice gradient. Creating a new post is super easy. You can post to multiple different platforms, and this is where you're going to do all of your scheduling. Again, we'll go into more depth in a different video, but this is basically what our planner feature looks like, and you can see all of the customizable options appear at the top. So if you want to change the view, filter by only a specific platform or a status, you can do that. We also find our auto list feature here, which is perfect if you are looking to create evergreen content or are just wanting a steady flow of posts always going out. Then if we click into SmartLinks, SmartLinks is our version of a link in bio tool. We are your all-in-one link in bio tool. And while SmartLinks does have a paid version of it. We do allow for one link in bio on the free plan, but if you have premium, you can have multiple links in bios. So for example, we have one for Instagram, one for TikTok, and one for Pinterest. I will show you what our Instagram one looks like. Here is an overview of that. You can see we're linking to many different things, as well as all of our other social platforms and even some of our Instagram posts. And if you go down here, you'll see where you can fully customize the text, the background, the border, where you can add the links, the text that you want to read, as well as the media and the appearance. Going to the very last tab, we have ads, and last but not least. So here you'll be able to create campaigns for Google and Facebook ads, as well as TikTok ads. And then you'll also be able to see all of your campaigns in one location. So here you can see all of our active campaigns. We also have a keywords tab. So this is going to improve the performance of your Google Ads keywords, as well as a recommendations tab. And then here you'll be able to track the performance of that Google Ads account. You can also, obviously customize the date and see it for specific time frames. And that is an overview of the Metricool platform. So there you have it. That is a brief overview of Metricool. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video because we are going to be starting from the very beginning, where I will take you through how to create your very own account, as well as how to connect your various social media platforms to our tool. And if you are interested in trying out Metricool's premium functionalities, you can go ahead and use the code TRYFREE, and that'll give you 30 days free of any of our Metricool premium plans. We are, of course, a forever free tool, but this is if you're looking for a little bit more of our functionalities. And with that, I will see you in the next one. Bye, Metricoolers!